Welcome to Tech Sourcing Insights, where we break down the latest trends in IT and business strategy. I'm Alex. This podcast video is proudly brought to you by Ernie Zibbett, the IT sourcing sorcerer, and Eclectic 365 Consulting, your trusted IT advisors.
Welcome to Tech That Works, or CXO in 5, the show where we break down big IT ideas into practical business insights. I'm Tina.
And I'm Hermine. Today's episode is all about IT pricing, specifically a model called P5, and why it might be the clearest, fairest way to pay for IT services. Our foundation is the concise work. P5, IT Managed Services New Touchstone, by Ernie Zibbett, whose decades of expertise have shaped the field of IT sourcing.
Let's be honest. Most organizations struggle to understand their IT bills. Servers, licenses, software, devices, maintenance, support fees, it's a long list.
Exactly, and that confusion is what sparked the creation of P5, short for price per period per person.
In simple terms, P5 says, your IT costs should scale with your people, not with obscure technical components.
For decades, IT pricing was built on something called P times Q, price times quantity.
Like paying per server, per support staff, per storage unit, or per piece of hardware.
The problem? Those P times Q pricing models only tell you what you bought, not whether it actually matches how your business operates.
You could double your staff and barely see IT costs move, or worse, costs spike unpredictably. That's because those models aren't aligned specifically to demand. An obvious example is a network link. You buy a network link based upon today's perceived internet demand. It's a fixed cost per month regardless of how many staff use the link. If you reduce or increase staff numbers, you still have the same cost.
P5 fixes that by anchoring IT pricing to people.
One person, per month, for a complete service. Think mobile phone plan.
And complete is the key word here. P5 doesn't price parts of a service. It prices the entire service experience.
That means devices, software, security, support, and management are bundled together into one transparent cost.
You're probably already using P5, even if you don't call it that.
Think Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, or Salesforce. Netflix is another example of P5.
You don't care how many servers are running in the background. You care that your people can work, collaborate, and stay secure, anywhere, anytime.
Not everything that sounds like P5 actually is.
Some managed services claim to be per user, but only cover part of the service, like desktop support alone.
True P5 must include everything required for that service to be complete.
If it's missing pieces, costs become unpredictable, and trust breaks down.
Is P5 the final evolution of IT pricing? According to Ernie, yes. He describes P5 as complete, borrowing from the Greek concept pteleon, meaning whole or perfect.
It's hard to imagine a model more aligned with how modern businesses actually consume IT.
If you're reviewing IT costs or negotiating a managed services agreement, here's the takeaway.
If it doesn't align to price per person, per period, it probably doesn't align to your business.
P5 gives leaders clarity, predictability, and control.
And finally, we have IT pricing that makes sense.
Thanks for listening to Tech That Works.
See you next time, where we make IT simpler, safer, smarter, cheaper, and more human.
Before we go, did you know Ernie Zibbett, the IT sourcing sorcerer, has written over 20 ebooks on IT sourcing and governance?
That's right. Titles include The Science of Sourcing Governance, Ordering IT Services, Would You Like Chips with That?
Check out all of Ernie Zibbett's works online and keep learning how to make your sourcing journey a success. And follow the IT sourcing sorcerer.
thanks for listening. Until next time, keep your head in the cloud and your feet on the ground.